Hi, welcome to Financial Freedom Hub, our new tutorial series on financial literacy, which we began yesterday. And so in this video, we promise to show you how to purchase Treasury bills. Yesterday, we looked at a video where we introduced you to what Treasury bills are. And so in this video, we are going to look at how to purchase Treasury bills. Like I said in the previous video, that Treasury bills are the safest, the risk-free investment you can make because it is backed by the government and it is issued by the central bank of your country. All right, so in this video, I want to take you quickly to how you can purchase Treasury bills. And before we go in there, I want to show you there are two key ways, or three, let me put it, because we have two markets from which you can purchase Treasury bills. That's the primary market and then the secondary market. Now, in purchasing Treasury bills from the primary market, there are two ways. Number one, non-competitive bidding. That means the central bank or the issuer of the Treasury bills offers a discount rate, and then the investors accept the discount that is offered at auction, and then they purchase the Treasury bills. Here we are talking of huge institutions, a huge individual investors who have great big money to invest in millions and hundreds of thousands. That's the primary market. It means you buy directly from the issuer of the Treasury bill, which is the central bank. And then the second method of buying from the primary market is the competitive bidding. So take note, the non-competitive bidding, the auctioneer of the Treasury bills offers the discount rate, and then the investors accept the rate. And then the second, which is competitive, the investors are allowed to bid with their own rate. So the investors are given the opportunity to determine what discount rate they want to purchase. So all the investors will present their bids, and then the central bank that issues the Treasury bills will look at the bids and choose the lowest to fill first. And if it doesn't fill all, then it takes the next lowest. So let's say 10 bidders are coming in, and the first one says, I want a discount of, let's say, 15%, another say 14%, another say 12.5%, another say 13.5%, all of them. And another one says, well, if I get 10 point something percent, that's the lowest. So the central bank, which is issuing the T-bill, will decide to go for the lowest first. That is 10.5% discount, because it will pay less. And so it will fill from the lowest up until the number of Treasury bills that are ready for auction is filled up. So that is the primary market. Then the other way of purchasing is the secondary market. You know, if you don't have so much money to invest as the huge investors and then the institutional investors, and let's say you have just some 100 Ghana Cedis, 200 Ghana Cedis, 50 Ghana Cedis, and then you want to venture into Treasury bills, you cannot definitely buy from the primary market. So you need another market, and that is the secondary market. And in the secondary market, you have commercial banks that also sell or help you to invest in Treasury bills. So all the commercial banks, like Commercial Bank, Big Bank, Car Bank, Ecobank, and all those ones are all commercial banks. They will help you invest in Treasury bills. And then you can also invest in Treasury bills through mutual funds and then exchange traded bills. So we want to concentrate this morning. I want to particularly take you through the secondary market purchase of Treasury bills. And then I'm trusting that I'm going to show you a platform where if you have a phone, a mobile phone, and then you are registered with MTN mobile money, and you have as minimum as 5 Ghana Cedis, by the end of this video, you can buy Treasury bills. So that is what I want to do as practical as possible, so that if you have a mobile phone with MTN mobile money account and small money in it, you can experiment for the 91-day bill, and then you see how it works. So let's get in there. But before then, I want to show you the current rates of the Treasury bills of Bank of Ghana on their website. So let's go there, and then I'll show you their rates, current rates of the Bank of Ghana Treasury bill. Okay, so look at it here. So this is Bank of Ghana website. So you can see as close as 7th of February. You can see the T-bills, the 91-day bill, 182-day bill, and then 364-day bill. So this is the 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year bill. So you can see their discount rates. So this is the discount rate. So it means you buy it at this discount. So it depends on what amount of money you have. For the 91-day bill, you are buying it at 12.2759%. And then the 182 days, 12.4134. And then the 364-day bill, you buy it at a discount of 14.3429. So you see, the longer the duration of the bill, the higher the discount rate, and then the interest rate as well. Okay, so for you to just familiarize yourself and know how much you could possibly be earning if you decide to invest in treasury bills, and then you can be rolling it over. So these are annual rates. So this is per annum. But so if it's 91 days, it means this annual rate will be divided into 4. So this is a quarter. So you earn a quarter of this amount, and then you can keep rolling over, investing the amount principal and then the interest earned, and then it will continue like that. And so you realize that by the end of the 364 days, with this one, you will earn more to even cover this percentage, because you will roll over the interest that you earn on your bill. All right, so those are just to familiarize yourself with the current treasury bill rates in Ghana per Bank of Ghana. All right, so let me take you to one of the commercial banks, Ecobank. Ecobank has a platform which they call TBILL4ALL. So you can see it here, Ecobank TBILL4ALL. So Ecobank Treasury Bill for All. And you can invest in that program with as little as 5 Ghana Cedi. So you can invest from 5 cedis to any amount you want to invest, and all you need is a mobile phone and MTN mobile money account, and then you have some small money. So you don't need a bank account, you just need to register on the platform through your mobile phone, and then you can start investing in the 91-day and then 182-day treasury bills. All right, so that is it. So you can just go to, if you want to follow, you just go to your phone, and then you just go to your phone, and then you type in your *770#, and then it will take you to the platform, and then you select the second option, TBILL4ALL, and then you register, and then you can start. But if you want to read about it, you can go to the Ecobank website, ecobank.com/GH, and then you can go to the personal products and services. So you go to products and services, and then you can see the details there, and then you can read. But I want to take you through the details quickly, and then you will see how easy it is. Okay, so look at it there. Invest in treasury bills from your mobile phone today. Ecobank makes it possible. So the Ecobank TBILL4ALL is a mobile money-based investment service that allows Ghanaians to purchase and manage Government of Ghana treasury bills from their mobile phones. Ecobank Ghana currently offers the service on the MTN mobile money platform. It means it is not yet on a Vodafone Cash and then Airtel Tigo. It's only on mobile MTN mobile money. So Ecobank TBILL4ALL is a simple, engaging, and interactive self-service which offers a level of convenience that complements your changing lifestyles. With as little as 5 Ghana Cedis, you too can purchase Government of Ghana 91 and 182-day treasury bills from your mobile money wallet. To ensure that your money is safe and secure and earns you a good rate of return, register on Ecobank TBILL4ALL and purchase treasury bills from your mobile phone anywhere and anytime, and enjoy continuous peace of mind. Okay, so if you are a first-time user, then you dial *770# to register. Once registered, the system will always recognize your username and grant you access to the product features, including application, the interest calculator, rate discount, as well as the terms and conditions of the service. Number 2, the interest calculator allows the prospective customer to have a fair idea of what his or her investment will earn at maturity. Rates used are those of the previous week and are only indicative and subject to change. The rediscount functionality of the service allows customers to terminate their investments before maturity. It means if you decide to discontinue at any time, you can terminate, but you must know that terms and conditions apply. It means you may not earn the full discount rate or the interest rate that would have accrued to you if the investment continued to full term. The purchase of treasury bills on the platform is a one-cycle transaction with a minimum investment of 5 Ghana Cedis. That means with just 5 Ghana Cedis in your mobile money wallet, you can start investing in treasury bills using Ecobank for all, TBILL4ALL by Ecobank. Okay, the customer's mobile money wallet is credited on maturity, and customers may always reinvest the matured proceeds on the platform. So what happens is, if you choose to invest in the 91 days, after the 91 days, somebody will ask, how do I get my money back? Your principal and then the interest will be paid back into your mobile money wallet. And then you can decide to reinvest again, either the principal alone or with the interest. And then that's what we call rollover. And then it will continue increasing like that. The product is supported by Ecobank call center, where trained and certified staff are available to provide the requisite support. So you can contact. So you just go on the website and you can get the contact numbers that you can call for verification. But let's go through some frequently asked questions and answers quickly, and then we will be done. So how accurate is the interest calculator? So when you register at the *770 hash, and then you register, you fill the application and you register, you will get all these details, that the interest calculator, so that you know that if I invest 100 Ghana Cedis in a 91-day bill, this is how much I am likely to earn. So you are asking how accurate it is. The interest calculator is an indicative rate based on rates obtained from previous week's auction. Upon purchase, you will be advised on the actual rate and returns on your investment. So you will know it from beginning before it even matures. How will I know that my bill has been purchased? So once you do it on your phone, how do I know it has been purchased? A confirmation text message will be sent to your phone upon successful purchase of the applicant's bill. So once you do the transaction and your mobile money or your mobile phone in your mobile money wallet on the *770 hash platform, then you will receive a text message to that effect that you have successfully purchased a certain amount of treasury bill. What numbers can I call when I need further information? So these are the numbers you can call. You can call Ecobank free toll number 0800300000 on Vodafone, and then landlines are also available. You can call. So it is transparent, and it's not an online investment scheme or a scam where anybody can run away with your money. Another question is, are there any taxes to be paid when I purchase treasury bills on the TBILL4ALL platform? The answer is no, there are no taxes. When you purchase T-bills on the TBILL4ALL platform, you don't pay taxes. Okay, so your interest is your interest and you earn it fully. What is the difference between Ecobank TBILL4ALL and a conventional treasury bill? TBILL4ALL offers the convenience of purchasing treasury bills using our mobile money or our mobile phone. So now if you want to purchase T-bill the other way, it means you have to go to the bank and then fill an application form, submit your identification, etc., and then you can buy direct from the bank. But this one has been reduced so that you can do it from the comfort of your home on the go anywhere without the hassle of going to a bank. Do I need to register before purchasing treasury bills on the TBILL4ALL platform? Yes, if you are a first-time user, you need to register. So you need a one-time registration on the TBILL4ALL platform. So once you go to *770 hash and you are a first-timer, you click on TBILL4ALL and then you do the registration. It's one time, and after that, the system will recognize your phone number, and then subsequent ones, you don't need any registration again. Do I need a bank account to purchase treasury bills on the TBILL4ALL platform? The answer is no, you don't need a bank account to purchase treasury bills on TBILL4ALL platform. All you need is a MTN mobile money wallet on your mobile phone. That is all. And I believe almost every Ghanaian has one. Okay. Another question, can I switch from a 91-day to a 182-day Treasury bill before maturity on the T-bill platform? The answer is no. You cannot switch before maturity. You have to wait for one to mature, and then if you want to switch the duration, you switch. Or you can place or buy another set for the new duration you want. Okay. Another question is, will I need any specific mobile phone to access TBILL4ALL platform? The answer is you don't need any special phone. Any phone that has access to mobile money account or MTN network can be used to do it. So whether it's a YAM phone or it's an Android phone or it is whatever, Apple phone or whatever, once it has MTN network and then you have mobile money, MTN mobile money, you are good to go. Is my money safe when I misplace my mobile phone? Yes, your money is safe. You just have to contact your service center and then replace your SIM card. That is it. You are good to go. And once your mobile money account is activated, you are good to go. You can access your funds. Can a client purchase for a minor? Yes, you do, but you have to register the minor as the next of kin. And next of kin is somebody who will succeed you. So maybe your child or anybody living with you. Can I buy more than once? Yes, multiple applications are accepted. So it means if today I experiment, I decide to just buy 5 Ghana Cedis, and then next week I get some free 100 Ghana Cedis and I don't want to squander it, can I go and buy before the first one matures? Yes, you can go and buy another one. The only thing is the first one will mature, they will deposit your earnings, and then the next one. So they will all mature within the number of days you choose to invest. So as you come across money, you can push it there instead of leaving the money in your mobile money wallet, and then you can squander it on anything you see, and then you want to buy on imports. How much do I need to invest? What is the minimum amount I need to invest on TB4ALL? The minimum amount you need is 5 Ghana Cedis, which I believe every one of you watching this video at this time, and you have a mobile money wallet and you can have 5 Ghana Cedis. By the end of this video, you can try this. Even you can pause this video now and try it, and then come and continue, and then you can leave thumbs up and then wait for your bill to mature in the 91 days or 182 days, depending on what you choose to do. All right, so just go to the Ecobank website, and then you can read through the frequently asked questions, and then you can be confirmed, and then you can convince yourself that this thing is for you. So you see, it is easy for you to invest in treasury bills, no matter how small money you have. So you don't need millions, you don't need hundreds of thousands, you don't need tens of thousands. With as little as 5 Ghana Cedis, you can give this thing a try right now. Let us develop the investment culture. Money grows when we put it to use, and investing is one of the ways to put the money to use. So any idle money that is sitting in your mobile money wallet and you will use it immediately, and you don't want to spend it anyhow, just push it into this TB4ALL and then begin to earn interest on your investment. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video, where I'll show you the difference between T-bills, T-notes, and then the T-bonds. So treasury notes, treasury bonds, and treasury bills. I'll show you the difference between them, and then I'll be showing you subsequent videos, tutorials, and teachings about investment. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, subscribe, and then you update yourself. You become financially literate, and then you know how to do investment. Let's run away from these online scams. They have scammed us for long, and then enough is enough. Let us learn solid financial investment and then attain financial freedom. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.